put some soap in the toilet box, and you'll thank me forever. To start today's tip, we will use a soap being the main item to perform the cleaning of your toilet with this tip. Next, I will also use a disposable mask. We will remove the support and separate to use later in the tip. This tip is simple, and we will do it into different ways. Can do the way you find cheaper, but we all have at home a pair of socks or disposable mask. I will also use scissors, where I will cut one side of the mask, so I will have a part for support, and the other part will be open, ideal to put the soap. Now let's put the soap inside, remembering that it will also help in the aroma in your bathroom because it will have direct contact with the water we use in the toilet. Then just tie a knot so as not to drop the soap. I'm using the same part one cut earlier. For use, we need to put straight into the toilet tank. First, we will remove the lid, and then use the support part to leave our tip stuck and not sink fully into the water. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Giovanna Marchico. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After placing in the reservoir, even before use, we should leave 5 to 10 minutes to start acting on contact with water. Finally, just flush and scrub the toilet with the brush. Is very practical and cheap. Will facilitate in your day-to-day. The second way to prepare this trick is with a sock, having very easy preparation too. It is very common, even after doing our needs, part of the waste are stuck to the toilet. The same problem is when we finish cleaning the bathroom, but with this quick and easy tip, you will clean easily and will never leave dirt behind. Surely you have already gone somewhere and noticed that the toilet was dirty and not even rubbing with the brush did not come out easily. With this tip, the water will have constant contact with soap, and when flushing, it will be much more practical to remove any dirt. I hope this tip is useful for you. Tell me later if you got the desired result with the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.